Anyway, as per the title of the video, here is how to get a Yoruba keyboard for your phone, if it's a relatively recent iPhone. Alright, so first of all, you want to open the App Store and then you want to search Yoruba keyboard. And you want to choose the one that, it's probably going to come up first, but the one that has this symbol and it's called Yoruba keyboard. And then once it's downloaded, if you open it, it shows you the instructions to set it up. But yeah, if you click settings, tap settings, then choose general, keyboard, then keyboards, and add new keyboard. And then in the third party keyboards, you want to choose Yoruba. And yeah, that's it. So now you can start typing in a chat, WhatsApp, whatever, notes. To open the Yoruba keyboard, you want to hold the globe icon and select Yoruba keyboard. And tap AEE to get the accent marks. I don't know what the C thing in the center of the keyboard is doing there, because there's no C in the Yoruba alphabet. But anyways, the accent mark button is the second button from the bottom left. It's the one next to the 1, 2, 3. Bear in mind, Apple advises that when using one of these keyboards, i.e. a third party keyboard, the keyboard can access all the data you type. So please be careful with sensitive information. I don't know who developed the keyboard, I just know it works. Then it's the same way that Apple can access information that you type on their standard keyboard, and that's how you get those personalized ads of stuff that you thought you were just. Anywho, to get numbers, tap the 1, 2, 3 icon at the bottom left of the screen, and to come out into your standard keyboard, tap the globe icon. You can also toggle between the keyboards by tapping the globe icon or holding it and selecting the one you want. And if you wanted to get rid of it, just delete the app. Thanks for watching.